A 2019 570 Sportsman. Got 25 hours on it, so it's time for its first oil change. Got the kit, 6mm Allen, filter wrench, and ratchet, and we'll begin. Start with right here. I'm gonna break this loose. Got it warmed up to about 100 degrees, just a little warm, help it drain. All right, I'll let that drain. Now I'm gonna go up top. Seen some videos where they're filling it through the dipstick. I don't know if there's a difference in some of these 570s. I got the touring, two up. Pull your seat. I gotta unclip the air cleaner. Gives you a good chance to look at the air cleaner. Pull it out. And if you notice right here is a filled oil fill right here. So what we're gonna do is release the pressure so we can drain better. We'll let it drain. We'll come back when time to get the filter out. We're back. Here's the oil plug. You got to seal. I want to make sure it seals in good shape. I cleaned it up. We'll reinstall it and get rid of the filter. I'll make sure it's clean. Go. Take our wrench. Tighten down. All right. Now the filter. A little tricky to get to. All right. We got the filter wrench and the ratchet. I'm gonna get it on there first. This is a little tricky to get to. I've seen where people take the tire off, and maybe I might find out that's the way to go. We're gonna try it. Just easy, being careful around these power electric line, the plugs. And let's see where we're at here. Okay. At least we're turning. That's a good sign. Get my pan underneath it a little more. I don't know where it's going to actually run out. Alright, here she goes. Okay. Put the ratchet out of there now. And let's see if we can't get this out of there. There's some oils draining right out of the hole. That's nice. That's good. Try not to make a mess. That's the tricky part. Watch these long threads. I think we got it over here. Alright, I'll drain a little bit. I like that drain spot. It's nice. Okay. Let's see here. Try to pick it up without dropping it. Alright, we got it out. Put it in the old tank here. Let it run out. Alright, now I'm gonna look, make sure it's got the old seal is in it. You wanna make sure your seal's still in it. And we'll have to clean up that surface before we install a new filter. Alright. We'll be back. Oil. So we got the filter out. What we're going to do now is we're going to get some fresh oil and put it on our seal. So what I usually do, I just dip my finger Get some fresh oil on the seal. Some people, I've seen them use the old. You're better, you got new anyways. Use the new and you don't have the debris. All right, filter's ready. We'll get back underneath and clean off that matting surface. Try to sneak my hand up in here. Just take a towel. Like I say, we already made sure the old seal was on the old filter. Boy, it's not too bad a job, but it is a little tricky to get into this. All right, we got that cleaned up nice. Now I'm gonna slide the filter back in. Try not to get dirt in it when you're doing it. Gotta work it in. All right, once we get it in there, let's feel, make sure your threads catch right. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, she's you don't want to over tighten these, but you gotta get it snug. So see if I can get my old wrench off here. Oh, that might be tricky. You don't have to crank them down. You want to get where she starts to tighten, and maybe 3/4 of a turn extra after she starts. So put it on here. See if I can get this thing lined up. Okay. All right, that should do it. Now let's see if I can get the old wrench back off. There she goes. All right. Get the wrench. There's the rock filter. Oh boy, fell down in there a little. Drain, and we'll be back for a fill-up. All right, we're back. We got the filter in, got the plug in. We're gonna add our oil. I don't know if we really need this, but we're gonna put it on. All right. I've seen it before where they fill it through the oil dipstick, and this one's actually set up to fill right from the top, which is pretty nice. We'll see how easy this works. I like it so far. Some fresh, full synthetic going on. As you can see, we need a little cleanup in here. She's got a little dirt. I'm enjoying it. Got my grandson Devin help me out. Now this kit's supposed to take care of the full thing, so it's 2 quarts. Supposed to use both quarts. And get this set up. It's the first time for me, so when we get done, I'll have to check our fluid level, and then I will show you how to reset the service engine. Alright, this thing don't go on very solid, but it seems to be working. Actually, it wants to pop off, though I'm not real keen on that. Alright, we got it. The less mess, the better. Been a real nice machine so far. See, 25 hours and 250 miles just cruising around behind our house. So we put some miles on pretty quick. Haven't even made the first payment. All right. Got that. I'm gonna put her cap back on. All right, now we're gonna check our oil here, see what we got. Come through the side port. And I'm gonna say I'm gonna need a pair of pliers because this thing is not easy to turn. I'll be right back. Got our toolkit out. Got a pair of pliers. Hopefully this will get in there. This thing is just far enough in. It's hard to get your hand on it. There we go. She started. We'll Won't take much once you get it started, but all right. Let's see what we got here. Cleaning here. I got it out. Yeah, J&L Sport's been good to us. Got a couple helmets now and some goggles. So we've had fun. Cleared a little trail out through the woods by our house. Now, try to get it in here. We'll do a quick check and I'll warm it up a second. I'll check it again. 2 quarts is supposed to do it. We're up above full, so let's try it. Fire it out, get that oil in the filter, and we'll see what happens. All right. All right. Got filter oil in it. So we'll check this one more time. Down. Yeah, got the plastic with my hand, it looks like. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, she's right. She's in there good. Well, it should be all right there. All right. Now we'll do, once I get this in, I'll show you how to reset the your mode, your service engine. Wait for it to turn on. All right, we hit mode and hold it. All right, go down. Servo hours. All right, it's set at 75. You can change it. Oop. Servo hours, you hit mode again. You can change this up and down. I heard 100 hours to the next oil change. That's when all fluids are done. So I'm gonna set it at 75. I'm at 25 now. Hit it again. Then I go to exit. All right, there you go. So it will let us know when it's time again. Thank you for watching. Maybe we'll get one on the trail later.